Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to rig a curved surface bevel plus. Here is surface bevel plus, NURB curved surface bevel plus, just like this. This is our main controller. Increase the value to 2 and select this controller. Try to move and see the effect. See? So let's get started. Go to File, take a new scene, go to Curve and Surfaces, take a NURB circle, rotate the NURB circle 90 degrees along z-axis. Go to Vertex Selection mode, select all the vertices and see the total vertices is 8 vertex. So go to Object mode, increase the vertex number, go to on channel box, go to Make NURB circle, increase the section to 12, press enter. Now go to Vertex Selection mode, select this vertex, go to Deform, click Cluster. Do the same for all the vertex. Now again take another circle, NURB circle, rotate this one also 90 degrees along z-axis. Go to Object mode, modify freeze transformation, rename this one as I circle, select this one and scale it, type here 2.5, or type 2, modify freeze transformation and rename this one as I controller. Go to create, take a locator, select the locator, first select your I controller, shift select your locator, press P to parent it to them and rename this one as I master controller and hide the I master controller. Take another NURB circle, again go to create, take a locator, another locator, first select this NURB circle, scale, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and scale slightly, unhide the, first select the second locator, first select the inner circle, rename this one as pupil controller, this one as iris controller and this one as hole controller. First select your pupil controller, shift select your iris controller, press P, again select your iris controller, shift select your hole controller, press P. Now select the whole controller and see. Select this one, press V to snap it to the cluster handle or cluster and rotate this one 90 degrees along z-axis. type 90 degree along z-axis, go to modify, click freeze transformation, edit, delete by type, delete history. Now press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap it to the next cluster handle. Do the same for all the cluster handle. Select all the controller, whole controller, go to modify, click freeze transformation. Select the pupil controller, Control select the cluster handle from the outliner, go to constraint, click point constraint. Do the same for all the pupil controller. Now unhide your iMaster controller. Select this one, your iMaster controller. Go to modify, add attribute, and rename this one as pupil visibility. Minimum 0, maximum 2. Click add. This one iris visibility. Minimum 0, maximum 2. And another whole controller visibility. Minimum 0, maximum 2. Click add. And another type here angry. Minimum 0, maximum 4. Click OK. Now go to Windows General Editor, open Connection Editor. Select your II controller. Click reload left. Select your pupil controller. Click reload right and connect pupil visibility to visibility. And iris controller, click reload right, iris visibility to visibility, and whole controller, reload right, whole controller visibility to visibility. Do the same for all the pupil, iris and whole controller. Now minimize your connection editor. Select this one, change rigging menu to modeling menu, go to surfaces, click bevel plus. On outer style curve, change it to concave out. Select bevel plus and select extrude depth. Open connection editor, click reload right and connect angry to your extrude depth. Now close your connection editor, select your iMaster controller, try to increase the angry value and see. This is increasing. Select all the cluster handle, press Ctrl plus Z to create a group and rename the group as cluster group and hide the cluster group. Select the iMaster controller, increase the pupil, iris and whole control visibility to its maximum value. Select this one or this one. Try to increase the or move this one here. Select also this one. Try to move and see. Select this one also. In this process, you can create NURB, curve surface, Bevel Plus, rig in Maya 2022. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.